Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggless quiche using an easy method. First, understand that the key to an eggless quiche is a plant-based binder. We'll use ingredients like silken tofu or chickpea flour to create that creamy, custardy texture you love. This approach makes quiche accessible to everyone, offering a delicious and customizable meal. It's simpler than you might think to achieve a fantastic result. To craft your delicious filling, start by sautéing your favorite vegetables like spinach, mushrooms, or bell peppers until they are tender. Next, in a blender, combine silken tofu, a quarter cup of nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor, and your preferred seasonings such as salt, pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder. Blend until completely smooth. Finally, gently fold your sautéed vegetables into this creamy tofu mixture. Now it's time to assemble your quiche. Take a pre-baked pie crust, or a gluten-free option if you prefer, and place it into your pie dish. Carefully pour the prepared eggless filling into the crust, spreading it evenly. Bake your quiche in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 40 to 50 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and the center is set. Once your eggless quiche is baked to perfection, let it cool for about 15 minutes before slicing and serving. This allows the filling to fully set, ensuring beautiful, clean slices. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making it a great option for meal prep. For leak-proof containers and other great deals, be sure to check the description below this video. Enjoy your delicious, homemade eggless quiche.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.